Hello and thank you for choosing Sunshine Trackers, home of HVAC Maintenance Tracker. Today we're going to talk about adding equipment. We've already added the property, so we're going to click on property and then we're going to come over and add equipment. We go up to the area conditioned. It's going to be, we'll call it the first floor, and equipment, it's going to be an air handler, and the equipment location, we'll say it's in a closet. The filter size, if we come down, let's say it's a 16 by 20. And then the model number, we'll make up some numbers here. RFH 124-1. Okay. And then the serial number, we're going to call it 1819E123457. Okay, so there's your serial number. Now right here you can click on this and it'll upload your photos. So when you click on that and you find wherever your photos are in your system, and then if you have multiple photos, you can hold your control button down and click on each photo that you want to upload, and then you can upload them all at one time. The notes, you could say the air handler is a wall mount unit, so you could just say wall mount unit, and let's say that the thermostat would be in the hall, so you put thermostat in hall. That way if you have multiple units in the house, then you would know where the thermostat is for this one. So you go ahead and add equipment, and then once you add it, it shows all your information right here. So you don't have to open it up to see it, you can just see it here. So if you added another air handler, for instance, and if you did, say this was a second floor and you had air handler, and say it's in the attic, and then the filter size on it was we'll call it 20 by 25, and let's say it's in the ceiling. So this one you RF say 24-1, and then serial number 1819, and then again browse your photos. You do it the same way, and then your notes, you can say air filter in ceiling at top of stairs, and then your thermostat is at top of stairs. There you go. So you put your notes in there, that way you know where everything is. And then add equipment, and now you have 2 units here, and then you can go through and you can add your heat pumps and or air conditioners or gas furnaces or whatever they are. You can add all those in here, and then you know what to do with them. So once you get all these added, then it's just a matter of going back to your address, and then you can click on that and it pulls right back to it. So these are what you would use to monitor, whenever you do your maintenance and so forth. It's just easy access to see everything. I hope this helps. If you have any feedback, questions, comments, please let us know. We're here to help you. We try to answer the phone most often. If not, just leave us a message. We will get back to you really quick. Thanks a lot, and then we'll talk to you later.